Okay, loading data into desktop. What does it actually mean? What's happening? When people say load data into Power BI, this is what they actually mean. So this will be the view that you're probably familiar with. And then if you wanted to actually add some data or get some data, you could press Excel workbook, or you could press get data and then select Excel workbook. But for this instance, we'll press Excel workbook. We'll select dummy data. And what will happen here is a nice little preview screen will come up. They can see our sheet here, we can select that. And we've got the option here to load or transform. So very rarely do I just load it in, because that basically means you're happy with the data and you're going to put it straight in. Transform, it brings up a nice separate screen in Power Query, which you're enabled then to clean the data. So I always press transform. But in this case, if you're happy with the data, we could just load it. Successful. And what we'll do here is bring it over to the data column, which then we have got them. You can see that nothing's been changed because it's still got the default column names on there because we didn't transform the data. So, but this is a basic understanding of how you would load data into this model. Now, if I just drag one of these over, you can see, look, that it's given us some visuals, but that's why it's very important to transform the data.